Welcome back to Cooking Essentials. I'm Chef Marilyn Doucette. It's morning and it's time to get nutrients in. So instead of getting on the stove, you have an alternative. So let's talk about smoothies. I am going to make a banana, strawberry, walnut smoothie. And I'm going to use a little chocolate, like cocoa mix. Hershey's Cocoa's been around a long time, and it's something I'm really familiar with. You don't have to use chocolate, that's your choice, but you can even omit it if you'd like. Um, to sweeten it up, the milk that I'm using, we talked about it before. You can use, this is vegan and gluten free. You can use a non dairy milk of your choice. I prefer Mu'ala oat milk. It's one of my favorites. So, and it has no sugar, zero sugars in this. So I'm gonna get the sweetness from one majoli date. You know, some of you may want two if you need a little bit more sugar, but do understand that we're gonna do a half a cup of bananas and a little less than a half a cup of strawberries. So you might want to kind of go like, and yeah, it's avocado, but you won't taste it. I promise you, you won't taste it. It'll be very good. So let's just get started, okay? So you try to avoid any darkness. It's kind of hard to do once you cut open an avocado. It could possibly be a little bitter, but I think I'll be okay. Avocado is going to make this really smooth, and we do need the fat, and this is really good fat, so don't despair. This is good before a workout, after a workout, just good. And here's a just dump everything in, and my strawberries are frozen. If you need it to be thicker, you want to add ice. I rarely keep ice cubes, so I don't have ice. So let's hope that it works out. This is a little bit less than, teeny less than a cup of oat milk. But if I need to add more, I can always do that. You can add, but you cannot take away. So remember that. And the walnuts, so everything goes in. Oh, if you like, some folks do not like to use extract, vanilla extract. And vanilla extract, you can get it, you can get imitation extract, you can get imitation, all kinds of extract, but you don't want to do that. It's very, very expensive. This little bottle may have cost me like 15, 12 bucks. I don't know. It lasts a long time. I do like the taste of vanilla extract, but it does have alcohol, so a lot of people don't want to do that. You want alcohol in it, so we're not going to do that. And in terms of the cocoa, I'm only going to do a smidgen. Let's see. So that's about a teaspoon. Remember, this cocoa is not sweetened, so it'll have a bitter taste. You have to be really careful with it. And I hope you have a good blender, because you want to use it. You want to give it a tough workout. And I guess I need to plug it in. I don't plug it in, I won't get anything done. I hope your morning's going okay. Okay, so that happens a lot. Your blender might be locked into place. If it's not locked into place, it won't start, and that is to protect. So it could have been a hot tea morning because it's wet and damp outside my window. Okay, let's take a break for a second. It's the walnuts that's like pounding away. Okay. Let's see. What do I have in here? It's almost like perfect for me. It's like perfect. I had an extra date, but I'm going to throw it in there. I don't want to waste it. So one date has like 18 calories, and one date has something, I think it's less than 5 grams of sugar. It's natural sugar, so it's not a bad deal. The kids will love it. know, when you talk about, I don't like to eat breakfast, then drink it. Drink it. I prefer not to eat pops, okay? So you're trying to see what this chocolate, beautiful chocolate, delicious milkshake looks like. Tell me you won't drink this. Tell me you won't drink this. No whipped cream. No. That would just mess it up. I really wish you could taste it. Taste it. Do you like my cup? Just purchased it. Inspiration. Okay. Nutrients. So good. If I wanted it thicker, look at it. Enjoy your day. Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Marilyn Doucette. And please patronize us. Visit us at Meals from the Heart Cafe. For those of you who don't know, we have the bomb pancakes. Peace.